Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ruth. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back to another video. So today is a Friday and I'm starting this vlog literally right outside of Oaite's house because we came to shoot a video like I did say in my previous vlog. So I just thought, let me vlog, the behind the scenes, everything. We've met before and we do talk from time to time on Instagram. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna apply my eyelashes, or my cousin is gonna do it for me, and then my lipstick. So yeah, here she is. She's busy doing her makeup. Banyana. Hi! Are you gluing down a wig? Banyana. Yeah. Should I pack anyway? Okay. So I'm about to start filming. I managed to apply my eyelashes as well as my lipstick. Winky is ready as well. She's preparing the drinks, and then yeah, we'll start filming. I think we're gonna start with her. Oh. Hey. I think we're gonna start with her video. Filming. Can I still filming? Imagine. Yeah, we're gonna start with her video. If you guys wanna know what we're gonna record, you have to go to her channel and check that out. I'm gonna leave her name somewhere down on the screen so that you guys can check out her channel. So yeah, I'm ready.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain.
It was such a successful content today. So my cousin and I are gonna head out. So I saw home and said ice cream, cause there's an ice cream truck gone there. Ice cream. We're gonna leave now. I need to get a gift for my friend. It's her birthday on Sunday. So yeah, I actually want to do that before she knocks off because we are going to her workplace, her chase. So let's go. The lighting here is amazing. Oh my god, I can't stop staring at myself. Yes, who is this? Hi.
I'm so crusty, guys, but it's Driver Bay here.
Yeah, Driver Bay. The birthday girl. Birthday girl. guys are so cute.
Jimmy, this is so pretty.
Hello. Yes, 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 yes. Hi. Hey guys, so we are at Notwane. I'm sure you guys can tell. It looks so cute. Guys, I came to change my outfit because I was literally dirty. My dress was so dirty. Guess I saw the strawberry while prepping everything. The harnat. That's the birthday girl at the back. Hey birthday girl.
Happy holiday.
It's Adri's holiday, by the way, because it's her birthday today. 13th of March, each and every year. That's a holiday. Anyway, so yeah, I just came to change my outfit. So yeah, I'm going to join everybody else and enjoy the party. They're just about to, I think they're actually braying, yeah. The meat is on the stand.
This is what I wanted. I wanted this one. I was thinking you were gonna be actually buy this one.
It's in your but guys, we're literally gonna shoot the Beyonce challenge. I get to read my TikTok. Yeah, that one. So run to the practice and mount up at about Hoko. No. And my friends are beautiful, ne? Check this out. Yes, are you ready? Give it to us. Ooh. Hey. Yes, girls. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Put your amour, mon TikTok.
The friends I keep, y'all. The friends I keep. The friends I keep.
Yeah, well, you didn't put the drum for me. My friend,
I'm a flap girl.
yes.
I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. Happy birthday! Happy holiday! Yes!
How old are you now?
That's cute.
How old are you now? Happy birthday to you.
You're my baby, happy. You're my baby, my baby.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And today's episode of Keeping Up, you should consider a reality show. I'm joking. Keeping Up with what's new? What's new? Guys, she just got this really cute garment. Yeah, she just got this really cute thing. Like, y'all are not ready for this season's I'm talking rubbish, but that's okay. That's okay. Hello, YouTube. Guys! And they're on sale. Of course. Thanks. I mean, you don't have to tell me twice. Thanks. These are super cute, guys. Look at the size. Moreki.
What did I give you as a otherwise?
Where's my money?
Keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. Told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can can still have fun for now.
Hey you guys, I literally vlogged I think a week and a half back when when we were celebrating my friend. So it was her birthday. We went to Northern Farms. We had such a great time. We had like a little picnic, chilled vibes, looking all cute. So I think the next time I vlogged after that was yesterday, where my friend and I went to the shops. So I got a couple of stuff. Mainly the main reason why I went to the shops was to lay by Riley's winter stuff. Obviously winter is approaching, and that's something that we do on a yearly basis. Obviously kids grow up really fast, so clothes from last year barely fit her, so that I just had to top up on the few that actually still fit her. So I do that through lay-by. I lay-by in March, and then April, May, end of May, sometimes April, depending on finances, she would have all her clothes. So while doing that, I got a couple of stuff for myself. Let me not show you her stuff, but let me show you what I got for me, because I did get her a couple of stuff. I went to Mr. Price. Guess what I got? Drum rolls. I've been wanting these shoes since the first time I saw them. They were actually at a Zara store. I've been seeing a lot of girls on Instagram posting these shoes, and I saw Xanse. I went to Mahalapi, by the way, so I saw the post Mahalapi. Someone posted how they are in Gibbs and they are at Riverwalk. I was dying. I checked the Mr. Price and Mahalapi, they were not there, and guess what? Guys, I'm so excited. I am so excited. I cannot wait to style these. Like, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. This was the last size 5. So I went to Upper Junction with my friend. We checked that they only had a size 4 in this color. It's still a water hell. So we asked them to check. They called Riverwalk. They had 2 pairs. So we called Riverwalk for please, I'm coming. Please just keep those for me. They did. So we went to get these. So no, it was a size 5 one hell in Riverwalk. And yeah, how amazing. I'm so excited, guys. Great. I don't know, I'm so excited. I also want the green ones. Just 1 pair, so I couldn't decide between this color and the green ones, but I decided to go with this one. Obviously, if I do get money, I'm gonna go for the green ones, child. I know I could have levied, but it's just too much commitment for me at the moment. So these were 179, so 180 pula. But there we go. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so happy. I also got a pair of hoops, just regular hoop earrings. These were 29 bucks, so 30 pula. And then yeah, just some intimate stuff that I'm not gonna show you guys. So while I was in my Halape, I went to Legit. Can I give a post to what they have sandals that are 30 bucks in store. I didn't go the very same day that I saw the post, so I went the following day just to see what they have. Really, I managed to pick up 2 cute stuff, or things that I feel like are cute for myself. So the first thing I got was this top. It's really nice. I felt like this was gonna be big. It's a size 8. It's a crop top. It has buttons. It's so nice. Like, guys, literally, I'm not gonna try these things on because I get and I have to vlog. I always feel like you guys have seen my outfit before, when in actual fact you haven't, because it was just a try on haul. So this was, the top was 170, was on sale, so I got it for 80 pula. So yeah, it's a size 8. There's only 2 of these left. So I think a lot of shops, these studios are winter, so they're trying to clear out summer stuff. But myself, I prefer to buy summer things in winter things in summer, if I do see them, because of how ridiculously cheap they are then compared to Hagideraka when they're in season. So yeah, I can't wait. I'm actually, if all things go well, my friend and I are gonna go for breakfast this Saturday, and I plan on wearing this top. I'll see how to style it. So the last piece that I'm gonna show you guys is this dress. which I also got from Legit. It has this little gathering. Oh, the light. Okay, there we go. Yes, it's in this beautiful pink color. I think it goes up to my knees or a little below my knees. This was also 80 pula. The normal price is 180. So yeah, they were having a sale. So these are the two pieces that I picked up from Legit, and then the other stuff from Surprise. So yeah, I just thought let me show you guys before I close off this vlog. So yeah, with that being said, thank you so much you guys for watching this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to try as hard as I can to edit this vlog today on this Thursday because I want it to be up tomorrow. I posted a spelling bee video with Waizi. I was at a YouTuber that I collaborated with, I think it was last week, the other week. So if you haven't watched that video, please go and watch it and support your girls. So yeah, I think that's just it. Thank you so much for you guys for your support. Yeah, thank you. I'll see you guys in my next video. That's next week. Bye.